What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. Again, we're bringing you another banger, man. It is almost close to Techtober and Techtember. We are on top of all the things that deal with gaming and technology, and the biggest thing is probably gonna be the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Actually, I personally had a good experience with my Galaxy Z Fold 3 before I eventually switched to an iPhone 13 Pro Max, and there has been many leaks with all the details concerning the Galaxy Z Fold 4. So in this video, we are going to touch base and show this difference in crease. But if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's definitely appreciated. It helps the channel out tremendously. It helps me keep bringing you guys these videos weekly, if not daily. And if you're new or returning to the channel, make sure to hit that like button. It's definitely appreciated. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So as you can see, we are on phonearena.com, and they have a picture displaying the Galaxy Z Fold 3 crease and the Galaxy Z Fold 4 allegedly crease. So these phones haven't been released to the public yet, so whether this is actually the Galaxy Z Fold 4 crease is yet to be determined. But we all know that certain companies, because they have to manufacture cases for these phones, they get a copy of these phones or a model of these phones ahead of time. So this could very well be legit. But as you can see in the picture, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is to the left and the Galaxy Z Fold 4 allegedly is to the right. And as you can see, there's a big difference in the actual dent and depth of the crease. It looks like it'll be a much smoother surface. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 didn't really have an issue with the crease being in the way when you looked at everything. It looked pretty standard and pretty good. So if they minimize the crease any further, that would be awesome. But I'm pretty sure Samsung is going to improve the previous model, which they usually do every time, and every year that they push out a new phone, they always listen to the consumers and act accordingly. But you guys know I like to keep these videos short and sweet. Let me know what you guys think about this alleged crease decrease. I know you see what I did there, the crease decrease. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Again, make sure to follow me on all my socials, on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok at Gould's Gaming and Tech. Drop a like, and if you're feeling the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.